Does the electron or atom release the energy it possessed when light is emitted? When light and energy are emitted, electrons release their energy as they escape from the atom, and this energy is emitted as light. Therefore, the energy that the electron or atom possessed is indeed released. To provide a more detailed explanation, the reason electrons are emitted only when the frequency of light exceeds a certain threshold is that the light must transfer energy to the electrons above this threshold for them to escape from the atom. Thus, when light and energy are generated, it can be considered that both the energy the electron or atom possessed and the energy transferred to the electron as light are both emitted. In other words, the energy emitted when light and energy are generated can be seen as the sum of the energy that the electron or atom originally possessed and the energy transferred to the electron as light. However, when atoms undergo processes such as nuclear reactions or radioactive decay, it is different. In such cases, the energy stored in the atomic nucleus is released. Therefore, in instances where atoms collapse and light and energy are generated, it is not the energy that the electron or atom originally possessed that is emitted, but rather the energy stored in the atomic nucleus. So, when electrons escape and energy and light are generated, the mass of the electron or atom itself remains unchanged. Is the mass of the electron or atom not altered even when energy and light are produced as electrons escape? Yes, even when energy and light are produced as electrons escape, the mass of the electron or atom itself remains unchanged. According to the mass-energy equivalence formula, mass can be converted into energy and vice versa. However, this formula does not imply that mass disappears when converted into energy. When electrons escape and energy is emitted, the mass of the electron remains the same. The mass-energy equivalence formula suggests that mass and energy are interconvertible, but it does not mean that mass disappears during such conversions. The emission of energy and light when electrons escape is a result of the conversion of the electron's internal energy, associated with its position in the atomic structure, into kinetic energy, the energy of motion, and potentially into electromagnetic energy, light. However, the total mass of the electron or atom is conserved throughout this process. In summary, the mass of the electron or atom itself is not altered when energy and light are produced as electrons escape.